Big Brother 27 Week 7 HOH shouldn't target the Queen. Spoilers, Big Brother 27 has officially entered its most explosive week yet and fans everywhere are buzzing with the latest head of household developments. Week 7's whole competition has completely shifted the house dynamics, but one question lingers among viewer and superfans alike: should the new Ho really target the Queen? In a season full of blindsides, broken alliances, and unpredictable gameplay, this decision could make or break someone's game. As the power shifts yet again, the house guests are scrambling to secure their positions, but not everyone agrees that going after the Queen is the right move. The Queen, in question, a nickname fans and players alike have used for one of the season's most dominant and socially savvy contestants, has managed to survive every twist, turn, and backdoor attempt so far. She's been part of nearly every major vote, has her influence woven through multiple alliances, and somehow always avoids being the main target when eviction night rolls around. Her charm, her head of the house, and her ability to manipulate without making enemies have made her a powerhouse. Some might even say the puppet master of Big Brother 27. However, with Week 7's Ho now sitting in power, fans are watching closely to see whether they'll take the big shot or play it safe. The Ho this week has been under immense pressure since winning the competition. They know the house is divided, with some players pushing hard for the Queen to finally be dethroned, while others warn that taking her out now could completely backfire. Social media has exploded with theories and opinions, some calling this the perfect time to strike, others arguing that it's far too risky. The Queen has proven time and again that she can talk her way out of any corner, and anyone who makes a move against her usually ends up being the next target. The HOH's biggest dilemma is simple: take out a massive threat and risk becoming the next one, or maintain the current alliances and ride out another week in relative safety. From a strategic standpoint, targeting the Queen might seem tempting. She's clearly one of the biggest threats left in the house. But the timing is crucial. With the jury phase already underway, whoever takes her out might earn her respect, or her wrath. Historically, Big Brother's best players have always known when to strike and when to hold back. Taking out a social powerhouse like the Queen too early can open the door for quieter players to coast to the end. And this season, there are several under-the-radar competitors who've been laying low, letting the bigger personalities do the dirty work. If the Queen leaves now, the game could shift in their favor, making it even harder for the current Ho to control the house moving forward. Many fans on X, formerly Twitter, and Reddit threads believe that this Ho should use the week to strengthen alliances rather than create chaos. The Queen, as powerful as she is, has also been a shield. As long as she's in the game, the attention is usually focused on her rather than on the players in the background. Taking her out could remove that shield, exposing others who have benefited from her dominance. Plus, there's the risk of emotional backlash. The Queen has a loyal fan base both inside and outside the house. If the Ho takes a swing and misses, or worse, if she manages to stay and flip the vote, they could find themselves on the receiving end of her strategic revenge. Another factor at play is the upcoming competitions. The Queen has a strong track record in endurance and mental challenges. If she feels cornered, she's more than capable of winning her way to safety. For the Ho, that means any move against her must be airtight. One slip up, one loose alliance member, and the entire plan could crumble. Inside the house, the tension is palpable. Conversations have been whisper-level strategic chess matches. The Queen, fully aware that her name is being tossed around, has already started working her magic. In classic fashion, she's been planting seeds of doubt, subtly reminding everyone that the real threats might be elsewhere. Her pitch is clear: keep her in the house, and she'll continue to be the bigger target while others fly under the radar. For the Ho, it's a risky balance between logic and emotion. They know the Queen's influence could derail their game at any moment, but they also see the advantage of keeping her close. It's the classic Big Brother dilemma: strike too soon and you burn bridges, wait too long and you miss your window. Even former players and analysts are chiming in. On podcasts and YouTube breakdowns, former house guests have been analyzing the HOH's options. Some argue that this might be the best opportunity to take the shot while she's slightly vulnerable. Others caution that targeting her could ignite chaos that benefits no one except her allies. One former winner even said, if you go for the queen, you better not miss. Because if she stays, you're done next week. That quote alone captures the danger of the move. Week 7 has proven that Big Brother 27 is still anyone's game. Alliances are shifting, trust is breaking, and the power dynamic changes by the day. The Queen's ability to survive week after week has made her a legend in her own right, but every liege ND has a downfall, it's just a matter of when. Still, smart players understand that timing is everything. Targeting the Queen might sound bold, but if the execution isn't perfect, the Ho could be sealing their own fate. Fans love a good blindside, but they also respect calculated gameplay. A move that feels too emotional or vengeful rarely pays off in the long run. Right now, the smartest thing the Ho could do is maintain their calm, gather information, and look for cracks in the Queen's alliances without directly exposing their own game. This week's nominations are likely to reveal a lot about the HOH's true intentions. Will they take a shot at the Queen head-on, or will they go after one of her close allies as a warning? Either way, the results will ripple through the rest of the season. One thing is certain, the Queen isn't going down without a fight. If she stays, expect her to rally her allies, rebuild her empire, and come back stronger than ever. The social game she's built isn't just luck, it's strategy, charisma, and timing all rolled into one. The HOH's decision this week could define how fans remember them. Will they be the one who finally took down the Queen or the one who foolishly tried and failed? Either outcome will shape the next few weeks of Big Brother 27. With eviction night approaching, tensions are at an all-time high. Every conversation, every whisper, every look across the living room carries weight. The Queen knows the game better than anyone, and if there's one thing fans have learned, it's never count her out. Whether she's on the block or in power, she's always playing, always thinking, always ready to turn the tables. So should the Ho target the Queen this week? Maybe not. Sometimes the most powerful move in Big Brother isn't a flashy backdoor or a dramatic eviction, it's patience. It's letting your opponent think they're safe while you quietly set the stage for their downfall. For now, the Queen still reigns, but the cracks in her crown are starting to show. Week 7 could either be the turning point of the season or the moment the house realizes they made a huge mistake. Either way, Big Brother 27 continues to deliver the drama, the strategy, and the heart-pounding suspense fans live for. And one thing's for sure, the Queen may be in danger, but she's not done ruling just yet. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.